Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we seen about the OOPS concepts like class and object, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction. The remaining is polymorphism. Here, the word is separated to poly and morphism. Poly means many and morph means form. It means many forms. It means the function or operator has many forms at different times. Let me show you about them with some examples. Here you can see that now I am adding 5 plus 6. It gives 11. At now we are adding here 5 and 6 are integer and we are using the operand plus. At the same time we can use it for strings like hi, hello. Let's run it again. Here it prints hi, hello. Previously it used to add integer values, but now it used to concatenate strings. The plus operator has different forms. In previous it has adding two value forms and now it has concatenating two strings form. Like this, let's see some different example. Here print length of, now I am giving strings as random. Let's run it. At now it counting how many characters are in the string. Let's give different values. A, B, C. Let's run it again. Now here length is used to count number of list items. If we used 2 strings or 5 strings, it doesn't worry about that. It just count how many items are in the list. Let's see some different. Now we use dictionaries. 4:6, 7:4, 2:9, 5:8. Let's run it again. Here it counts how many keys are there. In our first example, the length counts how many characters, it is the first form, and in our second example it counts how many items in the list, and now it counts how many keys are in the dictionary. The list has many forms at different time. Let's see some example with class. Here we are using the concept method overriding. If you are coming from the different programming languages, you have learned about method overloading, but in Python that method overloading is not available. Let's create a class with class name as cars, and here I am creating function as capacity. Basically the car contains like 4 or 5 peoples of capacity. Let's print it holds 5 people. Now let's create another class bike. Here I'm same method name capacity, but now I doesn't going to pass any values or statements. Leave it as empty by just entering pause. Here I am using the inheritance concept. Inherit cars. Let's create object for bike. And call the capacity in bike. Let's run it now. Sorry, let's remove this. Let's run it again. Here now it prints it holds 5 people, but if we try to do it again, okay, let's run it. Now it shows it holds 2 people. Previously while we run the program, it shows it holds 5 people, but now it says it holds 2 people. Method or operand has different forms at different times. This is the main thing to learn in polymorphism. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.